Now, eggs are a staple part of most of our diets, so when we choose them, they need to be the best. So I've got my eco eggs here. Now, these chickens pretty much live in a hotel of goodness. They have a patented diet, which means that when we eat the eggs, we also gain those nutrients. So they are higher in omega-3, wonderful for our brain, hair, and joints, as well as a bunch of vitamins and minerals. So I'm gonna use 3 eggs, because today I'm gonna make the perfect scrambled eggs. And there is nothing more needed than the eggs itself. Now, the other thing I absolutely adore about eggs is they are the most absorbable protein. Now, I have a very good non-stick pan, and when it comes to scrambled eggs, that's all you need. I'm not even gonna add any butter or olive oil. So I've got it on a bit of a nice to low to medium heat, and what I'm gonna do is just into the pan, and we just wanna make sure we keep moving it around. Now, these are looking good, so I'm gonna take them off the heat just for that last 15 seconds, because there's enough heat in the pan to just keep them cooking, and the last thing we want is overcooked scrambled eggs. They are looking just perfect. So a little bit of toast or on its own, whatever you prefer. Now, I've just used eggs because they taste absolutely beautiful just on their own, but of course, you can add whatever you want. I've just got a little bit of salt, bit of black pepper, bit of extra virgin olive oil, and a few chives which marry with scrambled eggs so beautifully. Now, of course, all you need now is the taste and maybe the newspaper. That's it. One of my favorites, absolutely delicious, and now you know exactly how to make them.